Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm playing a new game on Roblox with Luke, aka Lucas.
Wait a minute.
What?
I played this game.
Huh?
I hated it.
I think I played this game, but it resets. Whatever.
I don't even know how to play this.
I thought you said you played it. I forgot if I played it. And guys, I'm so do we grab this? Job material. I'm so confused.
What?
Like so confused. Oh, I think we put that there.
What?
Look at my screen. Look.
Yeah.
Look at my screen.
Period. What do we do?
Build it. Yo, come look at my screen. Watch and
How
learn.
are you doing that?
Cause I'm good. And I know what I'm doing. Got that there. Do I have to add the tires? I want to do it without any tires. Okay, well. Okay, I did it. Good.
You what? You are
What?
just good at this.
I
game.
know. Look at all the trees, black on the color.
Bro, you are so rich. You're rich about it. Right? You are rich because you are rich about it.
So,
Finally, agree on something. Right?
yes. I'm almost done with my first car.
How do
And
we
guys,
weld this?
yesterday,
How do we weld stuff?
guys, yesterday I actually found a Tesla Cybertruck. So today my goal is to build a Tesla Cybertruck. I think I already said it or not, but whatever.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
Wait, what do I even do?
Do you see it on my screen?
I added an engine of these.
Yippee.
I'm just gonna see if I can click any button. No. Suey. Ooh, I'm welding.
This game is so fun, but I don't know actually.
Oh, I made a car. Now I just need some wheels.
Okay. Weld. That was just on the edge. The first one was just on the edge afterwards.
I think now I have to put the wheels or something.
Yeah, I'm on the wheel stage. Guys,
Oh, you just have to manually put the wheels.
yeah.
Oh, that's fun, right?
Yeah. And guys, today I'm not stopping. I don't care how long it takes, but I'm gonna boss fight event.
What?
Get a Tesla Cybertruck. Join
I finished my car.
starting event. Choose your car. Is it supposed to be a race or what?
How do you go in it?
It just showed me the option, and I clicked yes.
How do I drive my car?
2, 1. A race.
Is that the only thing to do in this whole game?
No, we have to get better cars.
How?
I don't know. Chill.
I thought you were the best player ever.
No, you learn over time.
Sure about that.
Probably. Oh, I almost died. Why does there have to be exploding pumpkins?
This is the most random game ever. If I'm being honest with you, mate.
We're finding a Tesla Cybertruck no matter how long it takes.
What do we do when we finish our first car? Build a second car?
I guess that's what I'm doing. I think I won. Ooh, What do I do
You
with
got
the money?
cash.
Yeah, what do I do with money? I come here maybe. 500. What?
Click on cars. Maybe it actually.
Oh, how do I get another pumpkin?
Yeah.
I'm so confused. How do I get more people? Why is this still the Halloween update?
Oh, I got 11,000 money. Wait, this game's fun.
What do we do with money? That's my question.
I do not know.
Upgrades? Oh wait, look.
Upgrades are with gems.
Oh yeah, I have some gems.
You already upgraded it. Now I have to do this process all over again.
In other
At least
games,
I know
there's
what to
usually
do
a code
now.
called release, but not in this game. Shop. Forget this. Guys, what do I do with money? Do I just use it and be flexing and be rich?
You're already rich, about dude.
So what?
You're rich enough.
Nah, I need more. More moolah, the better.
Some guacamole, right? I call money sometimes. I sometimes call money guacamole.
Why?
I don't know.
I think we all saw the last one when I welded. It was like that. Not this one, the one before this. For the last one, it didn't even work perfectly, but it still went through. I mean, I'm not gonna say no to that.
Why am I getting such low bids? I'm waiting for a higher.
Wait, from where did you do that?
Just have to click on the cars
And then?
with an explanation.
Oh, we sell this. 12,000.
But what do we do with money?
That's my question.
I'm clicking every button I see. Except the Robux ones. I'm not gonna be paid to win in this game.
Me too.
We're paid to win in blocks, but not this game.
Yeah, by the way, bro, we're on Earth. Oh yeah, I'm joining again.
Oh wait, why didn't I join? I'll join.
Wait, I think I misclicked and there's not. Oh wait, no. Now I joined. Small cars. Oh, I have a partner.
I'm just looking what to do with money.
I'm letting my partner carry. Sick. POV, the best way to say psych. Sick.
What? What do we do with money?
What is the job? What the job? What the job? What the job? What the job is going on?
I'm gonna click every single button, okay?
Okay, so are you going to be paid to one?
No, I'm gonna see.
It said every button.
Oh yeah. No. Not every. I swear I saw something to do with money.
I died. No!
No, I swear I saw something to do
Me
with money
too.
before. It's not the rebirth, but
I know.
something else.
I think it's to buy another pumpkin guy. Oh, I found it.
Well, where is it?
You have to click this.
Oh.
Nah, I'm not joining.
Same. I need to save more. But just a little bit. So we being Chilean viewers.
The second one didn't go in, but it's still wrecked. Guys, I underestimate this game.
This is actually not a bad game.
Owner, please Robux. Okay, please, soon I might spend Robux, so... Owner, can you give
Owner,
me
make
back?
us a developer and I'll ban everyone.
Why?
I won't.
Yeah, make me a developer.
No, this guy doesn't deserve it.
Why?
He'll destroy your entire game.
No, I
He'll
won't.
make it skibbity toilet.
Nah, I don't.
That's not sus. To be honest. It's true.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna give it to him. That's kind of true. Guys, I know you love my voice. I'm so cool.
What's bro writing on? Look at my screen. He's using a pencil and nothing's going on.
He's bidding. They already bid for my car. Let's see what they got. Let's see what those poor people got.
12K on Mr. Bass.
12K also. I'm gonna. Yes, the taxes
Yeah,
gave me 19K.
I'm buying a new car.
How?
I-
Oh, I cannot afford it.
Yeah, I already bought that car.
About that. I want a worker for the last section for the wheels. Like the wheels are the most boring. Like, do I have to carry? Because I'm so cool. Just say I'm the best.
No.
Rude.
This part's the funnest. Doing the line.
I'm not building it. I'm waiting for me to. Guys, can you pay for this faster? You have 2 seconds, sir. Faster. What is boy even writing? Luke, I agree with you. What was he writing?
Exactly.
Oof, mirror edge. I'm not doing the event. Actually, yeah, I'll do it. Did you join?
No.
Why? Just why? Just why? I'm so cool. Wait, there's a loot drop. I hardly died. Did I have to die like right when I joined? Bruh. I'm not doing another car just yet. I know when I'm gonna do it. Cause me smart.
Why?
Cause I know what to do. Cause I'm good. But not good at
You're good at
12.
being bad.
No. The best at being good.
Okay, I'm buying a new car.
What?
I'm buying a new car.
Why?
Hey, add worker to section.
Well, you can do that. I'm not doing it.
Oh, I have a worker!
Me too. I have a lot.
Yeah, I'm buying many workers.
Yeah, that's what I'm only doing. I'm focusing on workers and other stuff like storage.
I'm just gonna get many
Wanna
workers.
see mine?
Oh, nice.
I'm saving up for 34K. Guys, can you bid faster? Guys, Maybe I won't finish it all today by getting the Tesla
But we'll
Cybertruck.
make it part 2.
Yeah. Still cannot afford. And guys, I hope you're enjoying the video by now. And guys, in the end of the video, I'm gonna show you the Tesla Cybertruck with me in it, but I'm gonna cover my face. Because I don't have face reveal time.
You do.
Unless I get 100 subscribers or 1 million likes.
What's inside of this pumpkin man's head? He disappeared.
Let me check. Blood or what? He just... Look!
What?
Look! This is in... This is in his other thing. This is the most.
I don't have enough cash.
Another worker done. Yay, they're done. I finished doing the welding part. Cannot wait to do the other ones. Guys, honestly, I thought this game would be worse.
Same.
Developer, thank you for giving me content. Because Bloxfruits does not have any more content.
No updates.
Yeah, and I'm bullying you, and what will you do about it?
What? What'd you say?
I'm bullying Indra of no updates.
This is not proper English. I'm bullying Indra because there's no updates.
Guys, I'm bullying Indra. There's no updates. Okay.
Because there's no update.
No. Cause I need money. My Richie back style is going to waste. I rate this game like a 9 out of 10.
It's better than blocks.
No.
Oh.
So far, yeah. Only for now.
But when Bloxfruits gets an update, Skibidi toilet.
Skibidi toilet.
That's not sus. That's just.
Skibidi toilet. Wait, what will be the next update? Leviathan fruit, Dragon Reaver,
Yeah, Dragon Reaver. That's what I'm waiting for.
and the Leviathan fruit.
Me be paid to win. Hopefully.
Me, POV me. Leviathan fruit, Dragon Reaver.
Should I buy next car or add a worker?
I'm only doing workers so far.
So
Sure,
that
I'm
we
joining. Why do you not join? Yo, Luke, why do you not join?
I just want to make the best. I want to.
But this gives you money if you win.
How much?
I know, like 50,000
No way.
or something like that. I have 27,000 right now, and we'll see in the end. But it's pretty hard, if I do say so myself.
You just have to dodge it, right?
And you have to go through those rockets. And it's like impossible to control the cars. What's the airdrop? Oof, oof, oof!
What?
I almost exploded myself. These pumpkins. I'm begging you. I love you, pumpkins. I love you for Halloween. Viewers, this is a fun game. I'm gonna reveal the name in the end
Of what?
of this game.
But we're the businessman. They don't want to promote. But dude, businessmen don't promote. I don't want to do the race.
I did it.
I'm just exploring the area.
Okay, it actually only gave me 2K. But I'm joining the race. Please, nobody come. I want to win in peace. Sorry. 3, 2, 1. Time to win. 3 laps. Position 1. I know I'm the best.
No, I'm the best.
I'm winning the race. POV, me if my Lamborghini pops out of nowhere.
Yeah.
We can talk about this. But I'm already done my first lap, so I can win. Okay, now one more lap. Guys, comment W's Richie back, W Richie back. And Mimi wants to tell you something. W Richie back!
W me too.
No,
Yes.
no. In the old video, you bullied Mimi.
Because he's fat.
You see? So, L Gaming Buzz.
Just joking. Mimi's a dub.
Good.
I'm gonna get the loot drop.
What's that?
Look in here. Let's see what's inside. 10 gems.
Do you feel like you just got scammed?
Yes.
Guys, I'm so good at driving. Yes, you're the best! Even Mimi agrees with me.
Well, Mimi's always wrong.
Nah.
Sight. Mimi's a good boy.
Good. Yay! Gaming Buzz is learning day by day on how to be smart.
I'm smarter than you, Mimi.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
You are British.
Good.
How much money does that give you?
Like 30,000, I think.
I need next time that happens, I'm getting it.
But I don't want to lose.
Because I'm the best. I know. No one beats me.
Because you have a better car.
How?
You upgraded your car.
No.
You did.
I'm upgrading it right now.
Why?
I just want to. I'm just going to get this. Actually, maybe. Should I?
No, because I don't know why I didn't want to test out. I just wanted to test it out. Because I probably can get more but just by doing this.
This guy takes forever. Should we
No.
join?
Oof, I'm rich.
Get back.
Okay, I upgraded my car once.
Why?
What upgrade are you on? I'm on the 50,000.
I don't care.
What are you on?
I don't care.
What are you on?
I'm not telling you.
Rude. I think you're one higher than me because you have a mini. I know what one you are on.
Which one?
One higher than me.
I'm not.
Look. Oh wait, you're below me? How do you get the mini? Whatever. I'm 256 below. 250 guacamole 6 away. My favorite upgrade is gonna be not doing the wheels one. I hate the wheels. You guys, do you see the chat? Kayed Bay won first place.
Why is your name Kate Bay?
That's my at.
Why?
I don't know.
Just sounds nice.
What do you think is the best? So obviously. I'm totally not about to reset character. For me to just heal my full health.
Do you have health?
Yeah. Of the pumpkin event. Duh.
Sorry, it just...
I got scammed! I'm reporting this game.
Actually,
No.
18,000.
I could have afforded it.
Should I? Are you gonna upgrade money or workers? I'm gonna get this, and then I'm gonna go for
Wait, you're on the same upgrade.
No.
We are.
No.
I saw.
You're on the 50,000.
Why is yours cheaper? Look, we have the same car.
Go check. You have the board head flash.
What?
You have the board head flash.
I have board test flash.
Told you.
Mine is higher?
Yes.
Oh. Well, finally.
I hate the wells.
This girl over here is doing it. Shall I fire her?
Yes.
Fired! Get out of my house, get out! Okay, I'm gonna visit your tycoon. Actually, nah.
It's just for the billionaires. My tycoon is just the best.
Keep yapping.
Now,
Scared?
I didn't yet.
Scared?
Let's just say ours are equal.
But I'm rich. You're punished.
Scammed!
Yeah, that happened to me.
I could have bought the new car. Is there even a Tesla Cybertruck in this?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Look, electric cars. This is only part 1. This will at least take us like 5 parts. I don't know, maybe. Wheels are the worst. I actually hate the wheels.
I like the wheels. I can do them super quick.
Me too, but I can do kind of quick, but I don't like it. It's so boring.
Should I get a worker or a new car?
I only focus on workers until it's maxed out. I don't know about you. New car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna upgrade this worker. So finally.
Wait, you can upgrade workers or get more?
Why did I upgrade that?
That happened to me. Want to see proof? Guys, viewers, this is proof. Huh.
Do we get 10? Oh, doing the race.
Oh no. Did you do it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm finding a loot. Give me some more money. What will be your... We have the same car. Oh, where's the loot thing?
I suck at driving. I'm getting better. Whee! Okay, I'm getting better now. I kind of feel like you forgot that you're recording.
Road.
Did you?
No. There's another car. But I don't count, sadly. But where are you?
You're driving. You're in the race.
Yeah, but I don't count.
I'm on lap 2.
I don't even have a lap. Because I don't count.
I see him.
Crash?
I know.
We are coming for you. Roar! I'm Mr. Dinosaur. Roar! Bye-bye. Time. Actually, no, I'm not resetting. Yo, guys, kids, I found the loot drop, kids.
It gives barely. It just gives 10 gems.
So what? Maybe I can get something different. I'm going for it.
Tell me what it is.
Something trash. First, how will I climb this mountain? Time to just climb Mountain Everest. Wait, is this actually Mountain Everest?
29,000.
You see, you get a lot.
Should I upgrade car or worker?
Worker.
Worker, yeah.
Only worker until they're maxed out. Well, that's according to my logic. Because I'm the smartest in the world. Even Mimi agrees with me. What?
No, I don't agree.
But Mimi does.
So, Mimi
The
is
cutest
important.
one ever. No, you're the worst.
Mimi isn't important.
You're the worst. Mimi is the best. Because I am Mimi. Not join
Why
it
did I join?
to waste your time.
I hate it.
But my workers are very slow at doing it. Do all of you have hammers except this guy? Okay.
What's your...
I'm staring at you. Look at my screen.
Everyone's on. Oh,
Look at my screen. Yo, girl, I'm rich.
you're... What?
Rich. Donut. I'm rich back.
Ay, ay, ay. Ah, I took lots of time.
Oh my god, I finished the 4. So, yo, dude, I have 28 right now, okay? I have 28,711, and then I claim all of those 4 cars.
Oh, 53. Stuff can.
They just don't get scammed.
You got scammed.
No.
Good.
Oh my, I had 29,000
How did you get that?
because they say it's 4 cars. Okay, I maxed out all of my workers. Now I focus on car.
Now we focus on car.
The last worker is honestly worth it.
How much do I need to get a worker?
64,000.
I'm buying a car. What car do you have? I use a board at Flash. What do you use?
I also use a boarded flash.
Wow.
Oh, I like this car. Nam.
The board at Flash?
No, it's another one. Look.
The one after the board at Flash?
No, look in my screen.
Oh, nice.
It's black. I'm upgrading the car
Why?
because I'm maxed out my workers.
Oh.
Now I'm in a quarter stay into a tiny Cooper. Upgrade. Yo guys, I'm gonna go to the toilet and I'll come back and let's see on how much I can do. Because those things do auto work. Okay? So, bye-bye. And you, dude, Luke, dude, you can talk to them.
Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing blocks.
This is the same video.
I know. So today we're going to be playing Block Shoot. So I'm just going to delete his Roblox account and we're going to go from noob to pro. Oh, he's jumping.
You guys.
Hi.
Yeah, you. I'm talking to you, kids. I want to tell you thank you for subscribing. And guys,
Subscribe to me too.
Guys, and when I end this video in like 9 years, I'm gonna be pay to win, a little pay to win for the part 2 to be better. Cause who doesn't love pay to win YouTubers?
Sadly me.
I hate you so much. You're my world's biggest enemy.
What?
You're the world's biggest enemy. Enemy feel inside of me.
You are not him.
I am. I am checking my second place. Oh, of the me exclusive cards. I need a rebirth. Ooh, 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 ooh. I hope you like the song. Play for awards. A race, I think.
Are you in?
Yeah.
So,
I'm gonna be rich. I spawned my car.
who will win?
I think you. I believe in you. Some trees we can go through, but we cannot go through the rocks, sadly. Oof. Ah!
Oh no.
We both crashed.
Oh!
Oh no,
I
reverse!
crashed! Look, I crashed!
I also crashed before.
What do I do?
Continue.
I'm gonna get second now. I'm stuck. I hate this game. Developer, you suck.
Wood. Yeah, I'm gonna win.
What if you crash?
Hopefully not. Sorry,
Why do you keep doing that?
to stretch.
The stretch.
Okay. Okay, developer, he said you suck, and how will you tolerate that? Are you gonna take him to law or what?
He can't take me to law or anything about the Roblox game.
3, 2, 1, finally done.
Do we even get rewards for second?
I think so.
I would have gotten first if I didn't crash.
How do you know?
Because the crash took me so long and I was at first place before.
Because I also crashed.
I hate the developer of this game. Get better graphics. Like, what are these graphics?
Honestly, I kind of like this graphics. LOL. I'm just not lying, Luke. Lucas, I'm just not lying.
That is not how to pronounce my name.
Lucas?
It's Lucas. Lucas.
But British.
I'm not British.
Don't you go to a British school?
I do.
So you are.
No.
I
I'm
hope
not
I'm not.
British.
Fine.
You're British.
I will be soon.
How do
Because
you?
I'm going to a British school.
Actually?
Yeah.
No way.
I swear to God.
What's the name?
Join?
No.
Well, I joined. Guys, how old are you? Comment down below.
How old are you?
I'm age revealing today.
Actually?
Yeah, I'm 8 years old. 8.5. Almost 9. Like in 12 days or 9.
I'm coming to his birthday.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ruin it.
No, you're not. I call the cops.
Hey, I'm in.
And guys, me going to a new school, sadly, because I've been in my other school my whole life.
So, why do you have to go?
I don't know.
Are you gonna come to my school?
I'm going to Gems Metropole.
I played a.
And guys,
Wait.
if you're a kid, what school do you go to? I'm
Wait,
curious.
by the way, in my school, I played a football match against him because I'm in the football team.
Against who?
The school that you're going to,
Huh?
Gems Metropole.
Wait, I'm gonna be playing football there?
No, there's a squad. You have to make it in the squad.
I'm not joining. Wait,
Yeah.
are you in the squad?
Yeah,
Damn.
we played against your school that you're joining.
Who usually wins?
It was 1-1. It was a tie.
Oh. Oof, I'm rich. I mean, after all, I am rich, you bet. Just don't get scammed. I got scammed.
No way.
I think this is going to be a scam. 'cause
Nah,
that's
try
it.
it, try
And look, this is also going to be a scam because it has that. So I'm going for this. You can try it. I'm not trying it.
I have to go home.
Now?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I guess I'm going to continue the video without.
Bye-bye.
Well, get out of my house.
Oh, my God. I mean, sorry, guys.
Hey, yo. Sussy baka.
I'm just going to check on my clock, my stopwatch. Okay, 1,000 laps and 3,086 hours.
Okay, nice.
You have more hours, but like 3,700 you have? You have
Yes.
3,700 or something?
I don't care, bruh. Just get out of my house. And guys, we're gonna do a part 2 soon.
I might not be there.
Yes, sadly.
The thing is that he doesn't know I have his Roblox password. I don't. I still remember it.
Oh, hacker.
I won't.
I'm not gonna forget the day on when you hacked me.
When did I hack you? Oh yeah, a few months ago?
Yeah,
2 months ago, right?
something like that.
And then what did I do?
I forgot.
I think
But why did you hack me?
I PvP'd some people, I think.
Hey, at least you got me, Bounty.
No. I said PvP. I beat my P. Bye, Jude.
Who's Jude?
If you guys watched the old video, you know what that means.
Oh, yeah.
Bye, viewers.
Bye. And I'm gonna buy this, then I'm gonna end the video, viewers. So this is the final upgrade. This took us so long. Upgrade car. And we're still not on medium. Guys, that's rude boss fight event. This is gonna take us a lot of seasons or chapters. So, anything to say? Where's the oof sound? Anyways, guys, anything further to do? I'm very sad I have to say this. I'm gonna miss you all. But this is the end of the video. And Mr. Pumpkin Man is gonna say bye.